See this folder. It contains 1000 plus images file. The challenge is that I need all the images name in an Excel sheet. So how can I do it? And how much time it takes? Can I do it manually way? Like this? We apply copy paste method? No, no, no. It explains couple of hours and our boss doesn't allow it. So what can we do? Wait. I have an alternative to do this task within couple of minutes. Let's start. Just click Write and go New. Click on Text Document. After that, rename the file with extension of .bat if necessary and click the Write and add this file. After that, use this batch code dir/b greater than your file name .xls. Let me save and close it. Double click on batch file and run it. Great! Look it. New Excel file is here. Let me open to see the result. Hooray! We do it! My file is here. My work is finished. Hope you enjoy the video. Give me thumbs up if you like this and subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon to get the notification for this channel.